How to reduce opacity in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. Just simply open up Canva, then select any of the image for which you want to change the opacity, and on the top bar, the editing bar, you will be able to find the option of transparency. Just simply click on it. Then you can reduce this transparency in order to reduce the opacity, and this is how you will be able to do it. Now let's try it out on this particular image. Here, when I click on transparency, and this is how it will appear. Since there are two different layers over here, when I move it, the t-shirt is a separate layer, that's why it is changing. So when I click on this particular transparency, this is how the original image looks like, but when I increase it, this is how the upper layer will look like. So this is how you will be able to change the opacity on Canva. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.